Hi, my name's James and I'm from Dynasty IT in Dumfries, which is in Scotland. Now today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove those annoying toolbars that can slow Internet Explorer down. Now it's a very common complaint, we get to see it all the time, where you'll end up with hundreds of toolbars that you never use and never wanted. They tend to come with free software and generally just things you download. They can come packaged with other software as well. So if I was to click on my Internet Explorer at the bottom here, now this isn't the latest version of Internet Explorer, this is Internet Explorer 8, but the same applies to Internet Explorer 9. It's the same principle, the same way of removing the toolbars. So you'll see here I've just installed the Google toolbar as an example. I don't have hundreds of toolbars down the side here. This is purely for an example, but the principle, as I say, remains the same. Now the fastest way to deal with this is to simply click the little X that's on the left hand side of the toolbar. If I click on that just now, it gives me the option to either hide or disable the toolbar. Now hiding it isn't going to do much for your speed. It's only taking it off your screen. It's not actually, unloading the files that slow Internet Explorer down. So if I click on disable and then go to OK, it'll then ask me to disable other components that toolbar is using, because a toolbar, sometimes it's not just the toolbar itself, it has 3 or 4 components behind it that are all running at the same time. So you want to make sure and actually disable all of those toolbar options. Make sure and select them all and go to your disable. Now you'll notice then it's off my screen, it's gone. Now sometimes there is toolbars and there is other things running behind Internet Explorer that can slow it down that aren't always visible straight away. For example, adware likes to hide in the background and it doesn't have any visible toolbars, it just displays adverts on random websites for you. Now a good way to check for that is if we click on the tools menu and if we go down to the Explorer bars, the toolbars, you will see there is different options here. You've got menu bar and all the rest of it, and there's those toolbars still there. Now, they're not completely gone, they're only disabled at the moment. So if we go to menu bar, this shows our file menu now. If you've already got the file menu, obviously you don't need to go through that step, but that's to get your file menu up. Go to tools and manage add-ons, and you'll see a list of everything that's loaded in Internet Explorer. Now, things you don't want to disable are things like Flash, JavaScript, and Microsoft Office helpers can be quite handy as well. But anything else, you can disable it, and the way to disable it is to just simply click on it. You have your disable button there. It'll ask you, just similar to what we've seen before there, it'll ask you, would you like to disable? Click on the disable and that'll stop it from running in the background. Some people will have thousands of things in this list and you don't need them, so disable the ones that are not required. Don't disable Flash, try not to disable JavaScript and ones that you know that you use. If you've seen the name before, then don't disable it. If you need any advice on what toolbars to disable, simply leave a comment and we'll get back to you and help you out as much as we can. But that's just a quick example of how to remove those annoying toolbars. Thanks for watching.